Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is on how to get more votes on Wattpad. So here are a few simple and easy ways to earn more votes on Wattpad. Number 1. At the end of your story part or chapter, ask your readers to vote. Now, for example, you open a chapter of your book and then at the end, like after writing the whole thing, the whole content of that story part, at the end you can write something like author's note, and there you leave a note for your readers like thank you for reading, hope you vote, comment and support, like that. A polite message to your readers and a gentle reminder to vote. Like sometimes this happens that they forget to vote, so it will be like a reminder for them to vote and comment. Be sure to sound polite in the message. Now, and you can even seclude this message by either highlighting it or underlining it, like giving it a bold effect. Like this. So let me just preview it, how it will look. And here you can see this appears like this at the end. It will be secluded from the rest of the chapter, something extra for the readers like a note. So don't forget to remind your readers to vote in every chapter. So just copy paste this message and put it at the end of each chapter of your book. Now, number 2, vote on other people's works. Now, every person or someone, a writer on Wattpad who has uploaded something there has worked hard on what they have written. So it's like showing appreciation to people if you go and vote in their work. So it actually makes them happy. So you can just do this. You can vote on other people's work. Now this sends them a notification that you have voted, and this way this will lead them to your profile and they might do the same for you. So it goes like the good you do will come back to you. Like now you cannot just say that I voted for this person but he or she did not vote for my book. Now not everyone will return the favor, but some of them are there who are willing to return the favor. Obviously, appreciating someone's work is not bad. Number 3, be sure to present the best quality of your work. Be creative. So now it is your duty to make sure that your content is good and interesting and appealing to the readers. So only if the readers like your content, then only they'll be willing to vote. So the most important thing is making your content good. So edit your work several number of times and make sure that whatever you have written there is grammatically correct and is the best you could have done. So work on improving your storyline and making it more interesting. And even to make your work more presentable, you can like italicize a few parts in your chapter and even bold like few important stuffs and even use underline. You can even add pictures and videos and make sure that the cover of your book is attractive. So these are the few things that you can use to make your work more appealing to the readers. So this is all. These are a few ways through which you can earn more votes on Wattpad, and hope this helps. And the most important thing is consistency. So keep on writing and working hard. I wish you the best. Do like, subscribe and share this video with those who might need this, and hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Thank you so much for watching.